friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma, and today I will show you step by step how to draw a cute ghost with pink Halloween pumpkin. Let's get started. We're going to first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here. Draw a curved line that goes down, and from the top tip, let's draw another line that comes down here. And from there, let's draw two straight lines, followed by a square, and then another two straight lines to connect to the other side of the head. Now from there, let's draw curved lines going out. And we are going to round it off. Draw some wavy line. And same on the other side. Connect. Now from here, let's draw the cute ghost. So I'm going to draw a straight line that comes down. And same on the other side. And here I am going to pop an arm out. Short curved line, round it off. Short curved line and round it off. And draw this line down. So that's the cute ghost, and I'm going to draw the eyes. Draw two circles, shade them in, and I'm going to draw a smiley face. That's my cute ghost face, and you can draw whatever face you want. You can draw an angry face or a surprise face. And then from there, the bottom of the ghost, let's draw a curve that goes up. So that's the top of the pumpkin. Okay, another curve that goes out, and just like that. And then from the two sides of the pumpkin, let's draw a big curved line out. Okay, and same on the other side. Curved line. Just checking that, on both sides, I am drawing the curve to be, to make sure that both sides of the pumpkin look symmetrical. I have to pause and check. But it's okay if it's not perfect. And at the end of the pumpkin, I am going to just draw a curved line connecting the two sides. There. And now let's draw the pumpkin's face. So I'm going to do a smiley face as well. And feel free to make this your own by designing your own pumpkin face. There, and now I'm going to draw a silly mouth. So I'm going to draw this curved line that goes down this way and drag it out to the right hand side, comes back in, then curves back up and connecting finally using a a curved line. And because I am going to shade it in, so I can make some adjustments to make it look cuter. And now let's shade it in. I'm going to use pink to color my pumpkin, but feel free to use whatever color you want. And I am going to fast forward. And that is how to draw a cute ghost with pink Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.